The Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24 was my pick for this year's best wireless camera. It's chock full of features, shoots in 2K video, and only costs around $40. I enjoyed my time testing this little camera for our best wireless cameras video, and I wanted to dig in a little deeper. After all, how good can a $40 camera be? So today, we'll take a close look at the installation, video and audio quality, its best features, and the settings in the Eufy app. The Eufy Solo Indoor Cam cost around $40, making it the cheapest in Eufy's lineup. And it was my personal favorite out of our lineup for our best wireless security cameras for this year. But there's something I missed in that video that is worth mentioning here. That sparkly 2K quality requires a micro SD card to work. Take a look at the Eufy's 1080p video. And now in 2K. It has a 105-degree field of vision, which isn't spectacular. The average field of view is around 110 degrees, but we've seen others that can see up to 160. But mount this thing to the wall and you can see the entire room pretty easily. It's got a powerful infrared night vision that sees up to 30 feet in the dark, and it works with most smart speakers out there, including Apple HomeKit. It's an indoor-only camera that needs to stay plugged in at all times, which can be a deal breaker for many. But it makes up for that with a few great indoor features for parents and pet owners. Installing the Eufy Solo only took me a few minutes, and it follows a lot of the same steps as other IP cameras like it. Plug it in and add the device on the app, then follow the instructions from there. Once you enter your Wi-Fi password, listen for the voice prompt, and you're good to go. Now, you don't have to mount this camera to the wall, but it's a pretty simple process, and it gives you a much better view of the area you're watching. It only took a few steps, and the Eufy Solo Indoor comes with everything you need right in the box. Once you're done, you can see the entire room from just this little camera. Like I mentioned before, that sparkling 2K video quality only happens when you add a micro SD card into the camera. Here are a few clips I caught in 2K. Its night vision is also crisp, and I was able to see everything clearly in complete darkness. Recording video in the app only takes the tap of a button, and once you're done, the footage saves directly to your phone or the micro SD card inside. One of my few complaints about this Eufy camera is its audio quality. Anytime I tested the 2A audio built into it, I had issues with the speaker. Hearing folks on the other side of the camera was a piece of cake, but getting the full sentence out took some practice.
For the Eufy Solo Indoor Cam sounds like.
You really have to hold down that speaker button to make sure that the sound goes through. But if you aren't near the camera, it's kind of hard to tell if anyone can hear you on the other side. This camera comes with a free trial to Eufy's cloud service, and that ranges from $3 to $10 every month, and it's a great way to get started, but I do really recommend adding a chip to this camera. You get better video quality, 24/7 recording, and you keep those video clips offline and out of the way. Plus, this Eufy camera works with micro SDs up to 128 gigs, which can record for 12 days continuously. Local storage like this is honestly my preference. It's cheaper than cloud storage and keeps recorded videos offline for anyone else to see. The Eufy app is well organized and really easy to navigate too. If you want a full tour of this app, let us know in the comments, but for now, I'll stick with my favorite things I found while exploring. So I'll cover things like live view, crying detection, pet commands, notification settings, and security modes. Chances are you'll spend most of your time in the live view checking in on your home, but you can find features and adjust settings easily from that menu. From the live view, you can record and take screenshots and talk and listen through the camera. It's also got a built-in siren that you can set off if you see someone up to no good. From that live view, you can switch to playback mode and see events that the camera recorded in the past. And you see those little numbers? That tells you how much bandwidth your camera is using. If the camera feed feels a little laggy, you can use those numbers to decide if you need to adjust the streaming quality. You'll find that option in the video settings. I kept mine on auto during the tests, but you can switch at any time. Then there's a crying detection feature that is great for new parents. It listens in for crying babies, making it a smart addition for your nursery. Next, there's a pet command feature that lets you zone off areas in view where you want to keep your pet away from. In this menu, you can record commands that trigger when your pet goes into that forbidden zone.
Toki, get off the couch.
I also really liked how customizable Eufy makes their notifications. You can adjust how quickly notifications come to you and for what kind of motion alerts. The Eufy app can send you thumbnails so you get a preview of what your camera saw before you rush off and check your feed. And finally, there's security modes. I believe this is something that all Eufy cameras have, but I thought it was really neat and definitely worth mentioning. These pre-made settings allow you to treat your camera like a standalone security system with modes like home and away or on schedules. You can tell the camera to sound the siren and send you a notification if it sees someone while you're away, or you can link it to your phone's location so it changes these modes automatically when you come home or leave. Okay, so here's a quick recap of what I liked and what I didn't like about the Eufy Solo Indoor Cam C24. This camera is a great budget pick for anyone who needs a camera inside their home. It's easy to set up and mount to the wall, and its settings are really customizable. And while it can shoot in 2K video, you will need a micro SD card inside to make that happen. Its features like crying detection and pet commands are really useful for pet parents and human parents alike. And the security modes act as a substitute security system. But it might not be the camera for everybody. It needs to stay plugged in at all times to keep working, and it isn't weatherproof. So if you're looking for an outdoor camera or one that isn't tethered to the wall, this isn't the best pick for you. And again, that whole 2K thing is a little deceptive. You'll need that SD card to get that feature going, but if you want to skip the cloud storage fees and still record 24/7, it's not the worst thing to spend a couple bucks on. Overall, I enjoyed my time with the Eufy Solo Indoor Cam. It's a reliable little camera with a lot in store for only $40. And despite a few drawbacks, it's among the most headache-free cameras I've tested so far.
Hey, if you're part of the 10% of people who watched this far, or my parents, thanks for watching. Don't stop there though. We have a ton of other resources on safewise.com that you can check out, and if you like and subscribe, you'll get new videos from us every week. Thanks for watching and stay safe.